What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a microphone or instrument to your RPG AR-15. On the back of the sub we have two inputs with combo jacks to connect any microphone or line level signal into the sub. So first let's go over how to connect a microphone. So I got a mic right here and an XLR cable. I'm going to plug the female end of the cable and plug it into my mic. Then I can plug the other end into either input 1 or input 2. For today, I'm going to plug it into input 1. Above the combo jack inputs, you'll actually see the mic line switch, which is very important because this sets the input either to microphone mode or line mode depending on what we have plugged into these inputs. So for example, because we have the microphone plugged into input 1, we're actually going to want to press this button in to set that input to microphone mode. So to hear the microphone coming out of the speaker system, I'm going to raise the volume knob for input 1 on the top here. I'm also going to want to raise the master volume knob in the middle here. And then I can raise the sub volume knob so you also hear the microphone coming from the subwoofer. And now if I turn on my microphone, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the whole system. In between the two inputs, we have the master volume knob to set the overall volume that's coming out of our system. And then below that, we have the sub volume to set the level of everything coming out of the subwoofer. So that covers the microphone there. Now let's go over how to set up an instrument like a guitar. For this, I'm gonna take a 1/4 inch cable and plug one end into my guitar. Then I can plug the other end into input 1 or input 2, but because I'm already using input 1 for my microphone, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into input 2. Remember, we have to use the mic line switch depending on what's plugged into the input. So because this isn't a microphone, I'm gonna set it to line mode by leaving the button unpressed. So then I can raise the volume for input 2. Make sure that the master volume and the sub level are all set to your liking. So now if I raise the volume on my guitar and start to play, you should be able to hear my guitar coming out of the system. So with the microphone and the guitar plugged in at the same time, I have a pretty cool performance setup here. And you hear both of them coming out of the system at the same time. Oh yeah. Now if you wanted to plug in a different instrument like a keyboard, you're just gonna follow the same exact steps that we use to connect our guitar. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a microphone or instrument to your RPG AR-15. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville. We'll see you guys next time. Yeah!